Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to write.
Today, we review physical descriptions and can and can't through active writing practice. First activity, listen and write. You listen to a short text and write the words you hear. Second activity, make a sentence. You use given words to create your own simple sentences.
Good. Writing helps me remember the words.
Exactly. Let's begin with listen and write. Listen and write. This is a dictation. I will read a short text aloud, and you write what you hear.
Okay. I will listen carefully and write.
Step 1. Listen to the whole text. First, listen to the full text for a first contact. Step 2. Write what you hear. During the dictation, write the words and sentences you hear. Step 3. Check and correct. Compare your writing with the original text and correct mistakes. You will hear the whole text first.
I will not write yet.
Great. Now, listen to the dictation. My friend Mia is young and tall. She has long hair and brown eyes. She can run fast, but she can't swim. Her brother Leo is short and strong. He has short hair. They can play soccer after school, but they can't play at night. Now I will read slowly, piece by piece. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Good. Write what you hear. My friend Mia is young and tall. She has long hair and brown eyes. She can run fast. But she can't swim. Her brother Leo is short and strong. He has short hair. They can play soccer after school. But they can't play at night. Well done, everyone. The dictation is finished. Nexo, how did it go?
It was good. Some words were easy.
Excellent. Now, compare your writing with the original text and correct any mistakes. Make a sentence. Now we will build 6 sentences, 1 for each main word. You can use 20 helper words if you want, and try to use can and can't when it fits.
I can make simple sentences.
First, see an example. We will listen to Nexo do the exercise, so you have a clear model. Second, make your sentences. You write your own sentences with the main words and the helper words. Let's hear Nexo's examples first. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. My brother is tall, and he can play basketball. Short. The short girl can run fast. Long hair. My friend has long hair. Brown eyes. Can you see the boy with brown eyes? Strong. My dad is strong, but he can't lift that big box. Curly hair. She has curly hair and can draw well.
Nice work, Nexo. Your sentences are clear. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences.
You can do it.
Good job. Good job. You finished the writing practice.
Thanks, Emma. I can write better now.
Great work. See you in the next lesson.